Today, I'm going to show you how to create a basic HTML template in just 60 seconds. Let's get started. First, open your favorite code editor. I'm using VS Code. Create a new file and name it index.html. So I have a folder on my desktop here. I'll just drag this folder in my VS Code because that's the folder I want to use. Extend here. I'll create a new HTML file, index.html. Enter. In here, use a shortcut command Shift+1. Enter. Here we have our HTML template now. In title here, we need to change the title to my first web page. Web page or website. Just use website. Website is okay. That's the title, and in here say welcome to Daratech. And a P element, which stands for paragraph. So say this is a basic HTML template. Wow, we have just created a basic HTML template in just 60 seconds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Daratech.